Good morning. This is our last week. We'll have one more test and you'll be finished with this thing we call geometry. We're doing volumes of cylinders and spheres, and the formula for a cylinder is pi r squared h. So all we need to do is find the radius and the height. And remember, a cylinder looks like a can, and I know it doesn't really look like a can here because I have to draw it on a page, but it looks like a can. And the height is if you put the can on the table with the circle part hitting the table. So the radius of this is going to be your 8 because it's halfway down through the circle. And remember, if they give you the diameter, remember to cut it in half. Some of them are going to give you the diameter. And the height's going to be 10. So then you just put that in your formula, and you put 8 squared times 10, and you put it in the calculator, and you get that the volume of this cylinder is 2010.62 centimeters cubed. Remember, volume is centimeters cubed. So this is really easy. A sphere has this formula, and so this formula is 4/3 pi r cubed, and we need the radius is all we need on this. So if the sphere has a diameter of 20, it has a radius of 10. Remember, if they give you the diameter, find the radius. So we put 4/3 pi 10 cubed in the calculator, and we get that the volume is 4,188.79, and this is in meters, so it's meters cubed. And that's it for today. This is the last two things we're finding volume for. If we have time this week, we'll do lateral area, but other than that, we're done with the book. So I'll see you in a little bit. Today's Zoom. Bye.